What is the difference between an organizer and pipelines? How do they work together? Right. So an organizer is a form that your client can fill to for you to grab some of their information like address, past job, documents that they can upload. These organizers can be very robust or they can be very, very simple. And you can say on stage one, send this organizer to my client. And that's how pipelines and organizers can work together. You can just trigger that automatically to be sent whenever you need it to be sent to your client. Is there a way to auto archive or delete old emails? Again, I addressed that earlier. No, you can't do that. You can just archive and delete them on your email, through your email provider. How long are documents stored in the documents folder? As long as you have them, as long as you need to. There's no such thing as documents that are going to disappear on you or delete after some time. It's as long as you leave them there, they're going to permanently be there. Is there a way to sync two or more emails for a single contact? Yes, remember we created custom fields. You can create a custom field called second email, and you can go into the sections and where you can create custom fields and create a section for that second, third, fourth email. So that's always going to be possible. TaxDome is always tailorable to your needs. All right, so we did a lot of topics today. I know again it can be overwhelming, but we want to make sure that you understand number one, how to import your client list, prepare everything correctly, how to manage duplicates, how to do bulk actions, how to communicate with your client, and how to use the TaxDome app for file management and scalability. And we wanted to introduce you today to some of the terms in which we will cover on the next session for workflows. So I want to thank you for joining today's session. And remember, you can actually purchase one-on-one sessions coming up in the future if you need to. We have that available for you. So please take advantage of our team if you need even more in-depth one-on-one help. We have that available for you. So thank you so much for joining today's session. On our next session, we'll deep dive into workflows. So thank you for joining, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.